Okay, so I'm gonna go look at some of these really cool buses. They're really awesome. I wanna go see Dolly first though. Let's go look at Dolly. I name it Dolly. Sort of pink, you know, my color. Well, this is Dolly, and my name is Destiny. She's a 35-foot Bluebirds, and I bought her in 2022, and I moved in August of last year, and I just finished the shower 2 weeks ago. So some things are old and some things are fresh, and yeah, let's take a look. So this is the cab. I've got a catwalk here for my kitties, so they've got a high up space, and I put the wall up to keep insulated and keep all the heat out, and put some curtains up, and it kind of makes it feel more like a house as opposed to a bus. And then my living room area here is based on the frame TV, so that it's nice and compact, stays really close to the wall, and everything stays really open because I put it at a 45-degree angle, which created a really interesting little nook behind it, which I put the door on a hinge so that I have a walk-in closet on the other side. And then my couch converts into all the things that couches tend to convert to in rigs. I just don't do it for demonstration purposes because it takes so long to put it up and take it back down. I have a little desk here, standing desk, which has a support that slides out. And then I have hidden table storage underneath here. And I have extra prep space, and I don't cook very often, so I decided to make everything tuck away and be portable for wherever I wanted to be cooking, but I could use it right here on these drawer pullouts. And I have tuck away storage underneath all the cabinets, and I hid my spice rack behind the fridge. I have a nice big deep sink that I built on top of this 1930s desk, which was too low, so I built an extension so that it was my size height, and it's the only sink in the bus, so it gets used for everything. There's a water heater behind this panel, and this is like toiletries and cleaning products and stuff like that. I've got a huge fridge, which is gigantic by bus standards, I guess. Pots and pans and dry food storage in here. And then my bathroom is relatively new. I've had the toilet side for a long time, but I didn't have the shower done until a couple weeks ago. Wanted to keep with the kind of vintage, old school vibe, and yeah, so my cat's litter box usually goes over there when they're in the bus. I didn't bring them to the show because they would not like that. And then this is my step to get up onto the toilet because I put it on a wheel well, and it's also extra storage, and it slides out when I need to shower. Ooh. And then we call this the confessional. It's got all my electrical in it. If you step back, I can...
I'm going to go in the bathroom.
Yeah.
I'm going to go in and around. Look at this.
So it's got all my electrical in there and extra cubby storage, my vacuum, and then the battery bay starts right here and flows all the way through into the other side, which is a bench on the other side.
Smart.
And then this is the recording studio back here. So the whole idea behind the bus was to have a space where I can record anywhere I'm at. I can record with anybody that I meet. I can gig anywhere that I want. This is secured in place for driving, but it also can come out if I need to use it for gigs. It's also converts into a regular desk if I need it to. So that slides in and out. And then I have this, which swivels over, so it's my bedroom TV as well. And I've got tons of storage under the bed for clothes. My water tank's under the bed. And I built a rack for all my instruments. And yeah, there's all kinds of little hidden things in here, so.
Okay, I'm going to ask the questions now.
Sure.
You've been in a bus for how long?
Since August.
Since August.
But I've had it since March of 22.
Okay. what is the one thing that you love the most about your bus?
The one thing that I love the most about my bus is that it feels like a house and not like an airplane cabin. I think was my big thing that I wanted, and it's the biggest thing that I got. And it's what a lot of people mention when they come in to take tours, is that it feels very homey. So,
What is the biggest challenge with bus life?
weather, just weather. Doing the actual bus itself was never, it was hard. It was challenging, but the weather is what made it the most challenging. Trying to work around the weather, trying to push through the weather. I don't know why. To me, every time people ask that question, it's always just the weather.
Someone's going to ask me, where do you guys park?
Well, I have been parked on my building sites so far. So I've had 2 building sites, one at a friend's house, one on family property. And then I've been going to these meetups a couple times a year. And then my plan is I'm doing house concerts on the road. So part of my host's responsibility is to find me a place to park for a week or 2. And then in between doing campgrounds or BLM land.
Awesome.
So.
And how can people find you on socials?
You can go to my music site, which is on YouTube, which is Destiny Guerra, Guerra, Destiny Guerra. Or if you want to look at bus stuff, it's Seek Life Elsewhere. And that's pretty much everywhere: YouTube, Instagram, all the places. Or I do live streaming on Twitch here as well, and that's my name as well. So.
In the blue bus. Oh, this is fun. Look at this. Oh, I love your colors. I really do. Oops, I'm stepping on something. Sorry. Stepping on a puppy. Look at this beautiful, cute sink. I love this. Okay, did you do this or did someone else do it for you?
Someone else did it.
Look at your drawers.
I can't take credit, but she was
Really
what I
sweet.
would have done, I'll say.
Yeah. Oh, I love this. Girlfriend, perfect. It's exactly what you need.
Mm-hmm.
Really.
Perfect size for me and the girls.
Peppers.
The needy little girls. The bunny and
So, okay, so talk to me about this sounds crazy. Talk to me about your toilet. What kind do we have?
That's a nature's head.
Nature's Head? Okay.
Yeah.
Do we like it?
I do like it.
Oh, this is nice. Okay. You had me at bus. I like the space. It's very nice and spacious. I love this. What are the I always ask for 3 things. What are the 3 things you love about it the most?
The comfort,
Comfort, okay. How does she drive?
like a sports car.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. And if you could change one thing, what would it be?
We would have done it sooner.
Really? Understood. Okay, so you got a little fireplace. Love this. And I love your cabinets. These are so nice. And the space, like I said, the space. This is perfect. And you've got your bath, walk-through bath. Look at this. Look at this nice big shower. We go back into a nice cozy bedroom and closet. Okay, I'm going to ask the most embarrassing question. Did you do this yourself?
Yes, we did.
See,